pure driving pleasure. The new 911 Cabriolet, available as Carrera S and as Carrera 4S, each with 450 brake horsepower. The crowning feature, the fully automatic soft top, consisting of over 400 individual parts and brand new hydraulics developed entirely in-house. It opens within 12 seconds even when driving at up to 50 kilometers an hour. Lars Schultz knows this little masterpiece inside out, having opened and closed the canopy thousands of times during its development. After the design was finished, that's when the work for Schultz and his colleagues really began. Not least because the rear engine of the 911 presents particular challenges for the developers. You have to fight for every millimeter of installation space. You have to fight for technical concepts. Is it even possible to put something like this into series production? There are so many challenges to overcome. The result is impressive. A high-speed soft top that's ready for every situation, even for headwinds. The cylinders that operate the roof system do a fabulous job. Together, producing 10 kilonewtons, they could easily lift a ton. In order to transfer the iconic design of the 911 Coupé to the Cabriolet, a so-called flat bow top was used. A bow is a kind of pole that supports the hood, but is clearly visible. To solve this, the bows of the 911 have been enlarged to form a surface. The advantage, a coupe-like shape without bow markings. The glass pane, secured by foam directly into the fabric, blends seamlessly into the outer skin. A lightweight construction par excellence. This top only weighs 35 kilograms. The soft top is so light because we've used as many lightweight construction technologies as possible. For example, magnesium and aluminium die-cast components. Here is the aluminium die-cast arm weighing only 460 grams, with which the soft top hydraulic cylinder engages with 5 kilonewtons, and a magnesium thixomolding component from the soft top kinematics, weighing just under 100 grams. Thanks to good insulation and the high-quality interior, the 911 Cabriolet is perfect for everyday use. The integrated wind deflector can be activated at the touch of a button and ensures draft-free, open-air pleasure.